When you are creating an analytic model, you may want to preview the data to see if it looks as expected. You can switch on the data preview while still in the editor of the analytic model. This saves you valuable time when modeling, as you can see right away if this is what you want your analytic model to contain. Simply switch to the preview. It consists of the analytical result grid and a list of available measures and dimensions. The result grid changes dynamically when you configure the available measures and dimensions. You can select dimensions and measures and assign them directly to the table's rows or columns by clicking column or row, or by drag and drop. As this is an analytical preview, you can navigate through the various dimensions and view the aggregated data. I want the data to show how the stock changes over time in the shops, so I want the dimension date in the rows. I filter the data to show just one of the shops. The context menu on the table gives me several options to filter and sort data, and to change the appearance. I choose row striping and highlight totals to make it easier to read the table. But I don't see the totals yet, so I'll switch on Show Totals for shop and date via the context menu. I can change the order of the measures in the columns by drag and drop. When my preview looks as it should, I can save it. And that's it. For more information, check out help.sap.com. Thanks for watching.